So in this VistaCreate tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to adjust line height here in VistaCreate. So the first thing you have to do is obviously open up VistaCreate. Once that is done, I want you to add some text into your design. So I either go to the top left here and press on text, or go to the left hand side of your screen and press on the text icon right here and add some text into your design. So once that is done, I'll just make the text a little bit larger so it's easier for you guys to see. And for the theme of this video, I'm just going to type in the word line height, just like that. So if you want to adjust the line height, or basically the amount of space in between words here, that's pretty straightforward. Press on the text right here, open up this top bar, then go to this button right here that says spacing, press on spacing, and then where it says line height, you can simply just drag this bar to the right to increase the line height, or you can drag this bar to the left to decrease my apologies, the line height, just like this. So super straightforward, fairly simple. This is how to adjust line height here in VistaCreate. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.